Whoa! Looks like it has 2 sets of wings.
Precisely. Those hard wings on the outside must protect the delicate set of wings underneath.
Now that's cool.
Le good news. There are some ladybugs near Butterfly Fields. Nature Cat, please bring Lulu to Daisy's garden while the rest of us search for more ladybugs. Toodaloo!
See you later, Nature Cat.
All righty. Shall we go to the garden, Lulu? Oh, Ladybug, look at you. You're so small and super cute. How wonderful it must be to be tiny like you.
Then come on!
Whoa! Whoa! Look at this! My wish came true! I'm small like you, Lulu. And look at the flower from your point of view. Whoa!
Yeah, and there's a lot more to see. Follow me!
Will do. Onward and downward. Oh, so feathery. And the smell, too. Ah, just like carrots. Whoa! Thanks, Lulu.
No problemo, Nature Cat.
This is amazing. Nature's even better when you're as small as a spider. A spider!
Not today, Spider.
Whoa! Your world is so much more dangerous than I thought.
Yeah? Well, that's why we ladybugs are so tough.
Yeah, tough. And so cute. Look at you. Oh, don't you worry, Lulu. I'm right here if you need me.
Okay, Nature Cat, but let's get to that garden. I hear there are a lot of aphids.
To the garden it is.
Well, get ready, because it's pretty far away.
Far? Why, the garden is just over there. Oh, I guess you're right. It is far. I forgot. I'm small now.
We can make it. Let's fly!
Lulu, you may have 2 sets of wings, but I have no sets of wings at all, and therefore cannot fly.
Oh, right. Well, I guess we're walking.
Tally-ho! Worms are so smart, going underground where it's cool and damp. Whoa!
All clear, Nature Cat.
Thank you, Lulu.
No problem. Most birds know that I taste pretty bad.
The Ladybug Whisperer was right.
Come on, Nature Cat.
I'm coming. Who knew grass could be so dangerous?
Hey, good news! We're almost at Daisy's garden!
Oh, thank goodness. Being small is exhausting, but I did it. It wasn't always easy, no. But whenever I was faced with an oversized challenge, I stood my ground and stared it right in the eye and...
Dragonfly, 12 o'clock!
What do I do? What do I do? I'm not red like you, Lulu, and I don't have those awesome hard shield-like wings. I'm doomed!
Oh, I got this.
What is that disgusting, awful, terrible stench?
You see, Nature Cat, when we ladybugs sense danger, we release a really bad smell to convince our predators that we aren't worth eating. It's, pretty wild.
Impressive. You ladybugs sure are tough after all.
Oh, you know it. Ladybug tough. Now come on, let's get to the garden.
Nature Cat! Check out all these ladybugs we found!
Go now, ladybug! The leaves for the petals to hide and the water for the thirst. The ladybugs are set to live here and get rid of the aphids.
We made it, Lulu. Welcome to your new home, you amazing, tough little ladybug.
Can those little ladybugs really save the day?
You better believe it, Squeaks. Go get 'em, Lulu.
And so long, pesky aphids.
It is truly amazing how different the world looks when you're so tiny. Right, Lulu?
And special thanks to the Ladybug Whisperer.
Huh, where'd he go?
Oh, hey guys, what did I miss today? Oh, look, ladybugs! Where did they come from?
Lay wink, lay wink.